In this video, I will show you how to transfer from Payoneer to another bank account. Start by opening any browser on your system and logging into your Payoneer account. Once you are on your homepage, click on the Pay option on the left-hand side of your screen. Here you will see several options. If you want to transfer money to a recipient's bank account, select that option. First, choose the balance from your account that you want to use for the payment. If you have not added a recipient's bank account yet, click on the Add Bank Account. Otherwise, select an existing bank account from the list. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, and the system will show you how much your recipient will receive in their bank account. Scroll down to add a payment or transaction description if desired. Then click on Review. If you need to add a new recipient's bank account, you will be presented with two options. The first option allows you to directly add the recipient's bank account details. In this case, you must provide all the required information, including the recipient's name, address, country, bank account name, IBAN number, and currency. If the recipient is not comfortable sharing all this information, you can choose the second option. My recipient will add them later. After selecting this option, click Next. For the second option, you simply need to enter your recipient's email, the language they speak, the full name on the bank account holder, the recipient's country, and the account currency. Once you have entered this information, click Next. Payoneer will then send an email to your recipient allowing them to input their bank account details themselves. After the recipient's bank account details are added, you can proceed to enter the remaining information and finalize the transfer. Remember that the minimum transfer limit is $50 US.